Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, we are going to learn how to insert footnotes in MS Word. Footnotes are used for giving reference of some book or website or any other reference. To insert footnote, first you have to click where you want to give its reference. Say I am giving reference here. I will click on, I will take cursor there, and then I will go in reference tab and will click on insert footnote. So I will click on this, and here you can see it will take to bottom of the page. Here I will write reference. Say I am writing Henry Foyle book, and when I will scroll back, and here you can see one is written, so it is, and you can see also the reference Henry Foyle book. Similarly, if I want to add another reference, say here, so I will click again on insert footnote and say I am writing here www.oliverbook.com, and when I will get back there, here you can see workplace 2. So this is how you can insert footnotes in MS Word. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.